everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Hi5 application. Now go to the profile of the person that you wanna block. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Then tap on the block option. And if you're sure, tap on the block option once again. So that is how you can block someone on Hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.